I am visible and I am audible to all of you. A very warm welcome to Picky Assist. Today we are very much excited to launch Picky Assist 2.0. So before we get started, so we have to thank you each and every customers who stood with us for last 5 years for this launch. So you know that we started 5 years back. Even during that time, there were no WhatsApp API. With the help of robotic process automations, we launched the API using the phone. Then we are now an official WhatsApp partner, I mean ISV, as well as we provide many other possible integrations. So in this launch, I thank you each and every team members as well who tirelessly work hard to make this happen. Each and every engineers at Picky Assist contributed in their best to make this Picky Assist 2.0 launch. Officially, we are going to launch today, and in another 1 or 2 days, you will be start getting the update in your existing platform. So mostly by tomorrow onwards, we will be making a phase-wise rollout. Mostly by tomorrow onwards, you can start getting the you can start using the new platform and new features. So let's get started with the new features which we are going to live today, and which gives you more possibilities to automate your business in infinite way. So we will demonstrate how big Picky Assist 2.0 can impact the way now your business communication happens. So let's get started with the very first feature, that is multi-channel. So multi-channel means that those who are Picky Assist existing customers, currently in a single project, you can only connect one WhatsApp number. So we have requests from around the world from many of our customers asking to connect multiple WhatsApp channel into a single project. So they can add their different departments like support, billing, their pre-sales, post-sales, their field team into the Picky Assist team box, so they can have a truly unified communication experience. And with the Picky Assist 2.0, we are introducing multi-channel. Now you can add up to 50 WhatsApp number into a single project to manage all your departments under one roof. So there will be an extra cost for each of your numbers, but that is not going to, you don't need to create separate projects to have this multi-channel features. So multi-channel feature is going to be available for our Soho CRM add-on as well, because we have more than 1,000 customers who are using Soho CRM add-on on a regular basis. So it's a very big demand from them, because none of the other integrations provides the ability to connect more than one WhatsApp number into a single project. Now with the launch of multi-channel, you will be able to add as soon as once we launch, you can ask more than 50 WhatsApp number into a single project. So let's move into the another features which we are their WhatsApp Cloud API. Those who are using our WhatsApp official service knows that for last three years, the moment WhatsApp launches the WhatsApp official API, we got the access, and we have a good number of customers who are using a fully managed WhatsApp API. Now we have a cloud API as well. WhatsApp recently launched a cloud API. So even if you are not approved by Picky Assist, or you are not using the WhatsApp official with the Picky Assist, you got it directly from the WhatsApp. Still, you can just add your WhatsApp Cloud API as a new channel into the Picky Assist and use all our product stacks, including Teambox, Connector, Smart Replay, Sequence. All these products can be used. Just you need to copy and paste your tokens. It's a 2 minutes work if you are already using WhatsApp Cloud API. So that is available as a new channel to all of our customers. Now moving into the another new channel, which is their email channel integrations. So even though it is going to be in the initial phase, it's going to be one-way communication, which is those who are using our connector, they are demanding the email channel or email integration for longer time. Now we have added the email as a channel into the Picky Assist 2.0, so that you can able to send event-based transactional marketing or behavioral messages whenever an event happens in any of your platform. Not only with the event, but you will be able to add it without event as well. So we have another features called scheduling, recurring scheduling. I will explain that in later. So with the email channel, you will be able to add more channels. So you can add your existing Gmail account, but you know that the personal email accounts or the corporate email accounts already have a limits. For example, you cannot send more than 100 emails or 100 unique emails every day. So that's why we have added AWS, that is Amazon SES service, as well as SendGrid as a channel. So you can connect your existing email address as well as your Amazon SES or your SendGrid. These SendGrid and Amazons are professional email services. So basically, they don't have any limit in case of sending the messages. Per day, there is no limit. But if you are using Gmail or your own corporate account, so there is a limit always. So to come up with the limit, we have added 2 more channels so that you can, add more, you can send more messages. Now moving into our next feature, along with the email, so we have launched an email template builder as well. Sorry. Without an email template builder, it's going to be a very hefty task for you. So we have all the drag and drop email builder, which is right now available in the Picky Assist 2.0. Very, very easy to build a professional email without help of any of the designers or developers. So you can build amazing email templates or email draft which can works with different occasions. So email template builder is also part of the email channel where you get free of access. Email marketing and automation, similar to WhatsApp capabilities, what we are delivering, event based or target based or even a sequential based, trip campaign based. So all those capabilities are integrated into the email as well, so that you will be able to send an order confirmation message from your Shopify store, or for any events, and after 3 days you can send a delivery review, send feedback or collect the feedback. Then after 5 days you can cross-sell or upsell with the suggested related products. So lot many possibilities, lot many automations you can achieve using the email automations, which is incorporated into our connector features, similar to how you are now automating your WhatsApp with the connector. So email automation is also now possible with the Picky Assist. Now let's move into the next features is opt-out management. Okay, so opt-out management means those who are sending email or WhatsApp messages, especially the marketing messages. Now, WhatsApp officially allows full funnel promotional messages to opt-in database. Sorry. So now we have included a comprehensive opt-out management right inside the Picky Assist. Either you are sending an email or WhatsApp messages, you can add your opt-out keyword in the email. Sorry, in the each and every WhatsApp campaign you are doing, you can add your own, you can define your own opt-out keyword. And similarly, if you are sending a message via email, still you will be able to automatically add the opt-out link, and we automatically add and generate the email opt-out links, and we manage the opt-out subscriptions without any third-party dependencies. And if you need the opt-out to be integrated with your system also, we do support webhook for developers to make that task very easy. Now moving into our next feature is multi-channel in Zoho CRM. So those who are using Zoho CRM can add many numbers into the Zoho CRM. So if you have 10 or 10D team members and you want to monitor all of their chat, okay, you can simply add those numbers, their WhatsApp numbers, or get a new WhatsApp number for them, add into your Picky Assist account, share the number with each and every team member. So if you are sharing, you can have different privilege can be defined so that one person number or conversation cannot be seen by another person. At the same time, admin able to see all the conversations each of your Soho CRM users are making. This is a big change in the Soho CRM widget which we are having, that is capability to integrate more than one number into Soho CRM, that too with the privileges. You can define which number or which channel to be shared to which user of the Soho CRM. Moving into our next feature is Google Chrome extension for Soho CRM. This is a free extension. We already published this extension in our Google Chrome web stores. We have 2 extensions now. We will be releasing more extensions very soon. Now the Google Chrome extension for Soho CRM, those who want to deep link with the Picky Assist like a Teambox, or they want to make some use of their existing WhatsApp number as well. I mean, those who are not using Picky Assist service still can make use of the free Soho CRM. This can be downloaded from the Google web stores. So the possibility, we already published this last month, few months back exactly. And Google Chrome extension for any web pages. This is also we published 2 months back. That we have made some improvements in here. Whenever you are seeing a mobile number, or email, you can simply add those email or mobile number as a lead into your Soho CRM account, or even to Picky Assist or any third-party website as well, using our connector features. So whenever you are seeing a mobile number or email in anywhere, okay, you can give it to your agents, your employees. Just they need to right click. You can see that comments are, even when you are doing a lot of posts in the Facebook, okay, the people are showing interest by sharing their number. So you can instantly right click the number and send a proposal without opening your CRM at all. So just a click, a proposal will be sent to them. Even not only proposal, you can make calls as well, or you can perform multiple actions with the help of our connector. Sorry. Now next feature is channel-wise routing. So channel-wise routing helps you. Earlier there were no possibility of routing a chat based on channels. Now with the introduction of multi-channel features, now it is possible for you to decide how each channel you are connecting to Picky Assist, the chats to be routed to your agents. For example, if you connect your support department number into Picky Assist, you can decide that that support department channel should be connected, should be routed only to the support team members in the team box. It can be done for the Soho CRM as well. Like if you have different team members in the Soho CRM or any other, CRMs which is integrated with the Picky Assist, you will be able to achieve this channel-wise routing as well. We have channel sharing option as well. That means since we have more channels now, you can decide what channels should be to be shared with each members. So one channel can be shared with the multiple members, or if you want to restrict that, only few members from your team able to share the chats. In between, if you have any doubts, our colleagues are in this chat. You can ask them in our chat box. The webinar chat box, you can ask your queries if you have any in between. Okay, our colleagues are there, they will help you out. Now, channel sharing is the feature which helps you to share one channel with many members in the Picky Assist. Now, with the update in the sequence, that is a trip campaign with the Picky Assist, now it is possible for you to select or specific channel. For example, if someone asking for a specific query and you want that specific person to be subscribed to a channel, and all the message should be sent from a specific channel. That means people are subscribing from your one number and the trip campaign will go from the second number. This is an optional settings, but it is possible for you to specify channel, which helps you to, all your marketing messages, all your sequential messages will be sent to another number. So this helps you to in case of any blocking from the WhatsApp, so your primary number will not get affected. So all the marketing channels you will be able to channelize through the separate WhatsApp number, even if the customer is requesting to subscribe from a different number. So this is an update which happens in our trip campaign. The trip campaign also got updated with the opt-out features. So that means if you select the opt-out list from the trip campaign, the messages will not get delivered to the persons who are in your opt-out list. That opt-out list is not only limited to Trip campaign, it has been added across the Picky Assist. Wherever the message sending capability is there, the opt-out feature is added. So I will show you, after we demonstrated the possibilities, I will show you a live demo of how the new platform looks, or what are the features, and where you can find these features when it is got launched. We have a fully automated billing. Those who are using our services knows that to download the invoices, you need to contact us, or to get the invoices of your payments, and to activate any of our automation services, like especially creating a WhatsApp server, you need to contact us. Now with the fully automated billing, you don't need to contact us for getting your invoices, or even for all the add-ons can be renewed by yourself. You can create a subscriptions which automatically charge your credit card every month or every year, depends on the frequency you set. Those who are sending mass messages using our WhatsApp managed, that means WhatsApp official account, they need to top up their account. So you can set up a weekly or daily or monthly or yearly amount, that a specific amount to be added into your account. So if you set up $100 to be added in every month, so automatically the system will add $100 to your account, so that you can cover all your campaign costs. You don't need to worry about your messages is getting failed. This is applicable only for those who are using a fully managed WhatsApp official account through us. Now we have the instant web channel activation. Now again, don't need to contact us to activate a WhatsApp web automation server. Okay, that is our own services. Those which is capable to connect your existing WhatsApp personal or business with the Picky Assist. You can, with the multi-channel, you can connect multiple numbers. It's a very simple process. Just go and connect. It will ask for you the data center, and you can select any of the data center. Just it will, and then scan the QR code. That's it. So you don't need to contact us to create the WhatsApp web servers. Earlier you need to send an email to us, then we manually create the server and add to your account. Now with the new billing, centralized billing, you don't need to contact us. You can simply buy the add-on anytime, as well as cancel the add-on anytime, in case if you don't wish in case you don't need to use it further. The message and contact sync for WhatsApp web automations. Now this is again a features which is requested by many customers, ability to sync their existing WhatsApp contacts into Picky Assist, so that they can have the conversation context. So we have added the capability now. Those customers who are using WhatsApp web automation as a channel can just sync their contact by just clicking a button, and even they can sync the previous WhatsApp messages. That means the messages which are sent or received before connecting into the Picky Assist platform, you will be able to synchronize it with the Picky Assist account right now, with the help of one-click contact as well as message sync in the WhatsApp web automations. Now we have added a quick messaging features to make the messaging, sending a message. We have made it very easily. Now it is added into our multitasking menu, which is there in the right hand side of your Picky Assist account. So it will be something like that right now. Something like this you are now seeing. Whenever you want to send a quick message, you can simply open the quick messaging option. Just enter the number and send the message by just typing the message and just send it. That's it. The message will be sent to that person. So this is a quick messaging which is added into our right side multitasking menu, which you can open from any pages inside your Picky Assist account. Now these are the iterator in connector. So I will explain the iterator feature in the connector. It is with an example, because iterator feature is an advanced automation capability which added into the connector. As we are coming up with WhatsApp commerce very soon into Picky Assist platform. So WhatsApp commerce, these iterator services are going to be very much useful for e-commerce, invoicing. These industries iterator are using. So in very simple, iterators are where you will be able to run a looped actions. For an example, you can send up to 2000 messages just in a looped actions. Okay, so I will explain iterator feature with an example so that you get more idea how this is useful for your businesses. Let's say that the iterator example. So in the Soho CRM, okay, I have a module where I am now, having the sales figures is here. Now every day I want this message, this all the sales which is happening in a day need to be sent to my CEO. All right. So every day, this is my requirement. Every day I want to send the message to my CEO. So but you have many records, okay, in your Soho CRM or say any other CRMs or even any other platform you use. Now with the help of iterator, be able to extract this information and count it and send it as a WhatsApp or email at the end of the every day or the day which you specify. This is how the iteration works. So it can even make many complex automations. Like you can make a loop where you can take different kind of actions. So whenever you do the iterations, it is possible to send personalized messages to each member. For example, if the system is going to send the message to this contact, then we can take all these values and personalize each message or each WhatsApp or email as per the record or as per the informations you have in your third-party CRM. So this happens with this make possible with our connector, and with the help of iterator, we have integrated one more feature called scheduler. So this is an amazing features which we are going to launch in the Picky Assist 2.0, the scheduler. So let me show you the scheduler feature. So scheduler is available under the automations. Now I have created different schedules: bi-weekly education content, okay, and WhatsApp weekly newsletters, daily sales to CEO. So these are the different scheduler I have created. Now how it works that you can define the systems on which month the scheduler should run. Like now it is on January, February, March, or all month. So all month means every month it will run. Now you can specify the weeks, all weeks or specific weeks. Like you can send it in week 1 or week 2, or you can specify in week 1 all day, or you can select all weeks. Then you can specify which day the message should be sent, all day, or you want to send the message only on specific days in your calendar. Then you can specify which hour the message should be sent. Okay. So based on this settings which you have configured, you will be able to send periodic scheduler. With the help of iterator, you will be able to make it more dynamic. Dynamic in the sense, this is not going to be a static message. Every time this scheduler is getting run, it is possible to extract information from a third-party site and able to pass or send dynamic email or WhatsApp. It is not limited to sending the email or WhatsApp. It can do many actions as well. For example, it can periodically sync a data from Picky Assist to other platform, or you can push the other information from other platform to Picky Assist. So these are the combination of features which we are giving to you, so that you can build any kind of scheduling patterns right now. So this is the scheduling pattern which I kept. That means every week I will be sending a newsletter to a customers, to a group who subscribe for it. Okay. So then every week it going to be fetch your WordPress blog or any other blog you run and get those 10 or 15 most relevant as per whatever the configuration you are doing in our connector. Based on that configuration, this is going to be send the messages. So it's everything automatic. You don't need to, once you configured, you don't need to do anything. So everything the system will take care. So I will also present you with some possibility of the recurring auto scheduling possibility. Like you can send a sales figure to your CEO or any persons at a daily 8 p.m. and you can do an exception, like except weekends, you can avoid that. Then we have a daily 10 a.m. fetch new post from a WordPress blog and send it to a segmented audience, those who are interested to receive your or opted to receive your blog post as a WhatsApp or email messages. Now you can sync the data in every 2 hours from third-party app to the Picky Assist. So that way that your data or your opt-in, your details, your tag, your customer informations are synced with the Picky Assist, so that the automations, whatever you are configured, works well. Now the fourth option is that send meeting reminder to remote sales team on every Friday at 3 p.m. Okay, and except third week there will be no week. Third week there is no meeting. So every Friday at 3 p.m. So yes, you can specify the systems that the message should be sent to a group of people automatically. Are you able to see the possibilities? Like this auto scheduling features, then please give your comment or just give a thumbs up in the comment. Again, send a reminder to your server admin to take a backup on every second Saturday at 11 a.m. So it once works only on every second Saturday. Sending birthday or anniversary greetings at 12 a.m. On a birthday. That means every day at 12 a.m. it will check for the connector will check for the date. If the day is getting matched and the month is getting matched, whatever the message you are configured, it can be personalized as well, will be sent to your customers. Now send currency, gold or commodity. We have a lot of customers from different part of the world who sends different kind of commodity or gold trades through our platform. So this is very useful for them to send alerts on gold rates, currency rates, alerts at a specific time, except Sunday where the market is not happening. So you can skip those Sundays. So every Sunday or every weekdays, it's going to be fetch the currency date from a third party, and it will be blast to your a segmented audience which is created inside the Picky Assist. Now send EMA reminders. So EMA reminders, it can be sent on specific days, and it is recurring in nature. So every 3rd, 5th, 10th or 25th of every month at 11:30 a.m. you can fetch an information from the third party site, or even your own apps, and able to send a personalized message. And auto scheduling is getting combined with the Picky Assist iterator feature, so that more possibilities can be, or more automation possibilities can be achieved. Send a month-end offer to customers on every last day of the month at 10 a.m. So every last day of the month, this particular scheduler works only on every last day of the month at a specific time. So you can send a month-end custom offers to your customers. So apart from that, there are many other possibilities, the infinite possibilities you can achieve with the recurring scheduling features, as well as the Picky Assist connector iterator features. So both combined to give you more automation possibilities. This is all about iterations. So let's see. Let's get a demo on this iterator. Oh, by the way, this is our all new dashboard, which the customers start getting once they updated their new plan. They have to migrate. You have to migrate to a new plan to get this dashboard. Certain features are limited only for only when you are migrating your existing plan to a new plan, which we already published, and we will discuss it at the end of this session about the new. So this is all the new dashboard. You will get you get all the information, how many contacts are getting added and how many interactions, what is your team box, how many agents are now online, how many open chats. All the informations which you required is right arranged in the dashboard. Now let's go to the connector and let's test the iteration feature here. So now iterator Soho CRM. Now if I just simulate it, okay, I have not configured. It can be configured to run in every interval. Right now it is not configured, so I will just simulate it. Okay. Now what is the function which I have right here is to iterate and send an email of the sales figure to me. So that means every day it can go and take the information from this particular CRM automatically and count it, and you can able to doing the using the iterator using the connector formatter. It is possible to make a math calculation, then or like total sales count, then it will send it as a email. So let's simulate it how it works. See that this is got executed. Now all this data which is executed, and got an email. See, I got an email here saying the total count. This is the email just now I got. The total count which was there is being given as an email to me. Now it is not only email, you can even send a WhatsApp, or those who are using WhatsApp web automation can post in your WhatsApp group as well. So this is just an example of how the iteration works with the Picky Assist. Now in the connector, those who are using, now coming to the connector, like how many of you are using connector now to automate? Because connector is one of the powerful feature Picky Assist having. Please comment if you are using connector in your business, because we are going to add a lot of automation capabilities into the connector, so that you can free yourself. Don't do any of the repeated tasks. We will make it happen inside the connector. So just comment how many of you are using Picky Assist connector. Right, great to see like lot many people are using connector. Okay, so in the connector we have made some more improvements, like whenever you are doing some kind of a simulate test. Right now I did a test, all the execution logs here will be available. Now you can see that this is the execution log. Earlier it was not available, so you may find difficult to troubleshoot what happens to my last request. Okay, so now the execution information is available right inside the Picky Assist connector against each log. So you can come to know like what exactly happened to the each of your execution, each of your steps which you create in the connector as part of the automations. So now that's all about the iterator features, and we have discussed about the scheduler option as well. Now let's move into our other features. Data parser is in the connector, which again gives more automation possibilities. Those who are using our smart replace, if you want to extract some information from a message, for example, you can see in this a message, you just want to extract the last order informations and pass it to your server and get the value from your server. So the data parser is capable to do that. Means simply it can extract a pattern from your message, from the message you are sending. Then it can send it to a third-party platform to process and get the information back to the connector, so that information goes back to the customer as well. So this is the possibility of data parser. It is not only limited to extracting data. You can extract email, mobile number, currencies, or any values which is there in the customer message. Once you set up the data parser in the connector, you will be able to extract the informations and dynamically post the information to your server. Then you can send a reply back instantly. This works very seamlessly with our smart reply features, which is capable to understand the context of the conversation, and accordingly you will be able to give more personalization touch to your smart reply chatbots. All right, now don't get confused, don't get worried about the technicalities. We will be making it very simple. So we will keep posting more contents, more videos on how these kind of features are useful for each industry. For getting that videos and contents, please do subscribe to our Facebook community. Our team is going to be post the community link in the chat box now. So in case if you are not in our Facebook community, just click the link and join our Facebook community. You will get a very good videos from more informations on how each of our features, especially automation capabilities, how you can build automation capability, or even a simple to advanced automation capability without doing a single line of code. These are these all things you can do without any coding. Just need to know how these things works. So do go and subscribe to our YouTube channels as well. We will be pushing it to the YouTube channel as well as into the Facebook community. And one of the advantage of Facebook community is that you can ask the questions. Our entire team is there in the Facebook community, so you can ask your doubts. You can get some inspirations of how others are doing, or how others are automating, or how others are finding more possibilities of using Picky Assist. So you can post your comments, you can ask your questions to the team of our entire technical team members, our sales team members, and all the team members are there in the community to help you. So go and join the community to get the informations the moment it is available with us. I mean, whenever we are adding a new post into our blog or into our YouTube channel, you can get it on your Facebook community instantly. Now going to the new revamped channels and app page, you can see that this is going to be the channels. We have completely revamped many PikyAssist pages here. This is the all new channel page where you can see a lot of channels are here, right? I have added many WhatsApp channels here. So you can also add more WhatsApp channels here. From here, you can simply add more WhatsApp channel or WhatsApp cloud channel also you can add, or WhatsApp web automation can also be added. So simply add the channel. You don't need to contact us to activate it. You can start it using right away. And here we have the 3 email channels which has been newly added. That is, you can create any SMTP. It is not Gmail. You can create any SMTP account, even with your corporate account. If they allows you to connect over SMTP, then you can simply go and make use of these features. You can connect to your existing Gmail account or any SMTP or Outlook account, so that you can able to send event-based automation emails. Okay, then if you want to send messages in a scale, then you need to consider Amazon or SendGrid. These are the paid service. You have to pay to them to use the services. But Amazon is very cheap. I mean, for 10,000 messages, I think they are charging $1 or $2. It's very cheap, and deliverability is also very good. Okay. But there are certain rules you need to get started. So we are posting those information as well. You can ask those information in our Facebook community. So those customers who already did can help you more fastly than our team. So this is the all new revamped channel page. Now we have let's move to the app page as well. Those who are connecting the apps, then we have revamped the app page. Almost every pages we got we have revamped to make it more user friendly. Now there is one more interesting feature which we want to showcase to you. That is not available tomorrow. The mini app features that is going to be available after a few days, mostly by next week. That features will be officially announced. But this is also an interesting feature, so I will showcase that features in our test development account. Okay, so mini app, basically how mini app helps. Mini app means that those who are using WhatsApp might be using many other softwares to connect it. So mini app helps you to integrate other platforms, a third-party platform, right inside the PikyAssist. So if you are using Soho CRM or Zoom or any other apps or any other CRMs or payment gateway, PayPal, so you can integrate all those apps right inside the PikyAssist. So those agents or employees who are assisting your customers can get a contextual information while they are assisting the customers. Let's see how it works. For example, now this is a user which is starting on the Teambox, and just they ask the last order details. So I just click on the get Shopify order status. So now it asks since the email address is not added for you can see that the mobile number is pre-filled, but here there is no email address added. So now when you click on get Shopify, it asks for the email address also. So let me fill this email address. Enter order ID. So if I put the enter order ID and click on submit, now it is going to be fetch the information from your Shopify store, okay, about that specific order, and it gives you the details right inside your Teambox. Your agents no need to navigate anywhere, and mini app is capable to integrate any platforms who have an open API. Simply, if they have an API, it is capable to integrate the way you required. The integration made possible by our connector feature. Okay, now you can see that all the information, what all the details you can see. You can, if you wish to add interactive buttons here, you can add, which can further go and do another checks. So all these are right now, this integration is based on the API. But if you have if you have using a iframe based solutions or different app which allows you to embed inside another application, you can embed right inside as well. So that without switching the Teambox, you will be able to give that information which customers require. This is a truly multitasking capability. By seeing the information, you can reply the customers chat, or you can assist them accordingly. Now let's do it another search here. Now let's create a payment link for here. Now in the chat, okay, this customer asked for a payment. Now let's create a payment link here. I just for creating a payment link, these are completely customizable. You can able to create the form, the data, whatever you need in our mini app builder without any code. You don't need to write any code to do it. Please note that it's very simple to use it. But to trigger the API, you need to have a basic understanding of how the API can be triggered. Now, if I type here that amount, okay, so simply click on this submit. So this is now connected with my Razorpay account, and or it can be even connected to your PayPal, Stripe, or any account. You can see that the payment link got generated here, and I can simply copy this link and put it in the chat and send to the customers. So how cool these features. If you are connecting, if you are able to see the possibilities, then again gives us a big thumbs up, so that our team get more inspirations to build similar kind of automation possibilities. This is the manual process, but it can be automated also. You don't need to copy and paste here. If you connect it with the PickieAssist connector, it is capable to send this link automatically inside this conversation or as an email. So it is not really, but certain tasks you can able to see or view it manually. You can do it those as well. But automation is also possible, because we want each and every company to automate their repeated tasks in a very effective way. Now let's say other few use cases here. Now we want this client is interested with your services, and they ask for a business proposal. Okay, now that means this client is going to be closed and they need business proposal. Now, without doing any changes, without doing any logging into any CRMs, just click on send business proposal and just mobile number. If you want to add any other informations here, attachments, it can be added. Now, if you click on submit, what will happen now? It automatically subscribe the customer into a sequence. Then it added a tag. Then it sent a message to the customer. That means the business proposal you configured is already sent, and the email, that means the business proposal sent by email as well as WhatsApp. So just a click, and at the background, it is possible to execute a group of actions which is configured by you in the connector. This is completely dynamic in nature. So each customers, you will be able to have different kind of proposal can be configured, or even you wish, you can upload a customized proposal here. So again, sending a proposal or doing a multiple task. If you want to add this user as a lead to your another platform who shows interest, that is also possible. Just a click of button, take many actions at the background without any kind of manual actions. This is going to be save you and your team members a lot of time. I am sure about that. So this is not only going to be limited with the capability of integration. It can do a search as well. For example, if I want to do a LinkedIn search, for example, a new lead comes to you and you want to understand more about this person. Okay, so I just do a LinkedIn search. Click on the search LinkedIn, and it's going to be open my LinkedIn, and it's search all the person who matching the name Reggie. All the person having Reggie is being listed. You can even have a Boolean based searches. Those who are very familiar, we will be posting more videos and contents into our Facebook community on how you can do more enhanced search. This is a simple search we have demonstrated. Again, let's demonstrate another possibility with the mini app and the buttons. Now for this contacts, let's see this contacts. Okay, so this contact don't have a name. So I just want to know, but I know the number. So I just want to know the name. So let's search on the Truecaller to get the name. Click on that. Now you can see that I got the name, even I got the email address as well. So on a click, it's a seamless integrations. On a click, you automatically, it passes the information from your PickieAssist and perform a search. This is not limited to Truecaller or LinkedIn. Any platform which allows similar search, you will be able to, like, even you can open a WhatsApp as well in a web, because WhatsApp also supported deep linking or similar kind of integrations. So it is not limited to sorry, LinkedIn or Truecaller. Any apps which you are using supported in this kind of a deep linking, you will be able to add it with the Picky Assist and use in this way. And this is not only limited to Teambox. This mini app is going to be there in your account as a mini app here. It can be opened from anywhere. So if you open here, you can see all these informations. But if you are not opening it from the Picky Assist Teambox or contact, we may not be able to know the context. So if you click on search Truecaller, sorry. Okay, you search LinkedIn. So the keyword is not known to you. You have to manually fill the keyword. But here the keyword is mapped as the name. So when you are opening from the Teambox, the keyword is available as name. That's what it automatically open. But if you are opening the mini apps from any other pages, then it will prompt in case they are not able to pre-fill the message. Okay, so creating a payment link right now, you have to enter the mobile number and the amount manually. But earlier you see that the mobile number is already got pre-filled because it has been opened from a contact. Right now it is not getting pre-filled because it has been opened from a global mini app menu, which is there in our multitasking capabilities menu. So you can able to get all this information. And this window as well, this window, if you got the last three, somebody is calling you and asking, maybe they are not in your Teambox, or they are not in your contact list, and they are asking the information. So you can simply take their mobile number and get their last order, right clicking from here. So they can get the last three orders here. See, now I got this last three orders based on the mobile number, or you can pass any values based on the e-commerce platform you use. So the last three orders I get, and you can even track this and crop and resize it. It depends on your requirement. For example, if you want to have more multitasking capability, you want to keep it here, you want to keep it here, you can do that as well. Okay, or click on the reset, it will go away back. This is all about a mini app which is going to be live by next week. The mini app, which have a lot of possibilities without writing a single code. You can integrate any apps which have an open API, or even if the app don't have an open API, still you will be able to use it with the Picky Assist platform. Let's moving into our next WhatsMail add-on. WhatsMail add-on got different updates. There are few fixes which we have added for the WhatsMail add-on. Those who are using the WhatsMail add-on for getting the getting the WhatsApp message delivered right into the email. So we have added the capability of a template selection also, because those who are using WhatsApp Cloud API or official may not able to send a message when they are replying if the 24-hour session got expired. So for those, even if the 24 hours session got expired, your pre-approved template will be sent as an email to them, not as an email. When you are sending an email, when you are replying on an email, that email will convert it into a WhatsApp and it will be sent as a WhatsApp. So that will work with the WhatsApp official as well as Cloud API customers as well. Now I will quickly show the other possibilities of mini app as well. So the mini app possibilities which are there apart from what we discussed. So quickly I will show you the possibility to create a leads manually in another CRM. So send business proposal, which I already demonstrated by inputting dynamic values like name, subject. It can be an email or WhatsApp. Those email channels which are connected with the Picky Assist, you will be able to do that. Then while assisting customers in Teambox, you can fetch information from third party like last order, which we demonstrated already. Now those, if you are a developer or if you have a developer, for building them a mini app for you is going to be very effortless. In few hours, your developers can build and incorporate a mini app right inside your Picky Assist account. So they don't need to refer any long documentations to that. It's a very simple way. Even you can also do, but if you have a developer, it's a very easy process for them to build and embed the mini app right inside the Picky Assist. So just 3 or 4 hours they spend with the API and the processors, they can just integrate the any mini app right in the PickAssist platform. Then it perform a series of actions like adding a tag, adding into a specific sequence. This is something similar to macros, like macros who were there earlier in the Excel sheet. You can take many actions together. You can alert your sales team, all things just one click, and you can take multiple actions. This is even you can trigger a Zapier scheduled actions or Zapier actions as well. It is not limited to PickAssist actions. Even you can you can perform an actions in your third party applications which you are using as well. If you are connecting everything through Pabbly Connect or Zapier or similar automation platforms which you are using, then you can, with the mini app, it is possible to trigger those automations as well right inside in the PickAssist applications. So then it can have a deep link which I have shown, like the Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, or any CRM search with a click of button. So these are the possibilities of mini apps which is there in the PickAssist. I think it's time for us to revamp. It's time to end this session. So we will quickly cover the dashboard we have already covered, and for the new onboarding experience. Okay. Now we have completely revamped the customer onboarding experience. Those who are creating a new projects, so you can seamlessly get the things done in less than 2 minutes time. So you just need to fill few information and pay for the services you would like to use, and that's ready. That new project is get ready. You don't need to contact us to activate any of our services. So based on your requirements, you can create a new projects and start without contacting PickAssist. So completely we have enhanced the new onboarding experience completely. Like you will be getting something similar to what shown in the screen. It will be asked for the plan, then it will ask for the project, ask basic details like project names and everything. Then it will ask you to select a plan, then it will ask you to connect the channels or the apps. That's it. So once you can done it, that you can start using the PickAssist. Now finally, this is the small price change. A lot of things which we are adding, tons of features we have added in last 5 years. And last 5 years, that means since 2018, we have not changed the pricing. What you are seeing now in our pricing page, that is same for last 5 years. Okay. Now it's time to slightly increase the price. We have not increased in a higher way, but we have revamped the pricing. This is our new pricing. We have basic, pro, ultimate, 3 plans available. So basic plan starts with the $14, and this $14 WhatsApp cloud API is integrated, but WhatsApp web automation is not available in any of the plans. It's still offering as a paid add-on which costs you extra. That means you are seeing $14. It allows you to connect a WhatsApp official. If you are already approved by WhatsApp, then you can connect that account. But it is not possible to connect WhatsApp web automation, that is our own service. It is not possible. It is not integrated with any of the plan, but it is possible for you to buy it separately. Now, pro plan also, we have made it $29 per month, or you can switch to annual also at $299, which gives around 30% discounts. Now, ultimate plan, we have made all our add-ons like WhatsApp web automation, Sendesk, and all these add-ons are available free of cost. But WhatsApp web automation, again, it is offered as an add-on. But apart from WhatsApp web automation, Soho CRM, Facebook lead on, without any cost, you can get the ultimate plan. That is our top plan. So $49, you will get all the features and having 10 agents as well. Now the pro plan have 5 agents, and basic plan have two agents. Now those who are not using PickAssist entire product stack or communication suite, so we have an API only plan for them. So those who are developers just need our sending and message receiving capability of WhatsApp. This is applicable only for WhatsApp channel. In the API only plan, you won't get any email channel, you won't get any Instagram, Facebook channel. Only WhatsApp official or WhatsApp web automation. Any one channel can be connected at a cost of $35 per month. There is no limit in number of messages, and there is no number of contacts limit, but with, you will not get access to any of the features which we have demonstrated. Now, so that is no access to any features, and the 3 days message history, we will store only the message for last 3 days. So beyond that, we will get deleted. So we have published a comparison here, so that you can help, which helps you to migrate to a new plans. So I think you need to pay a few amount more comparing to our existing plans, but we add a lot of values by increasing the price to a lot of possibilities we are opening, and we are coming up with the more features. It doesn't mean that we will stop doing the features. In coming months, we will keep delivering the more possibilities, or we will listen to your feedbacks, whatever the feedbacks you are giving based on our products. So we will try to improve the overall experience of how you are using Picky Assist for your day-to-day business communications. So any kind of a feedbacks, you can even post it in our Facebook community, and we will make sure that he works towards that, or we will, if something which is not possible, we will also say that that is not possible now, but maybe in future we will add. So that's all for Picky Assist 2.0. Now from tomorrow onwards, we will start rolling it out. Initially we will roll out to a few accounts, and mostly in another 2 days the rollout is going to be complete. So once the rollout is completed, then you will start seeing a new features, new platforms. Depends on the plan which you are using. Certain limitations would be there. For an example, the multi-channel feature is available only those who are using ultimate plan. So those customers who are already using unlimited plan may not able to use WhatsApp multi-channel. Okay, so they need to upgrade their plan to ultimate plan. So we have we can share this URL also. Our team will share this URL in the chat box. So if you need sneak peek or detailed how these features works, or what are the new features, you can just go through this. And this is a new pricing. In another 2 days, our existing price in our Picky Assist website will get replaced with a new price. Till the time, you can check the pricing here, and you can compare all your plans. Now this is going to be applicable only when you are renewing. Like for an example, if you are using unlimited plan now, if you are renewing, then you need to select any of the new plans. The renewal is possible only with new plans, but still you can continue using the existing plan till your next renewal date. So we have made a FAQ as well on the billing part. Mostly all the frequently asked questions you can see here, and how this is also helpful to take a informed decision which plan suits you. So basically our unlimited plan, if you ask us a sessions, the unlimited plans is ultimate plan. Okay, so all the features which is there in the unlimited plans is there in the ultimate plan. So apart from the multitasking capability, multi-channel adding, there are no other feature limitations. All plan will get all features, but the numbers will be limited. Like the contacts which you are going to store is going to be limited, and after that you have to do the update. So any issues or any doubts in the new plans, then you can reach to us, or you can ask in our Facebook community, or you can go and chat with our team as well. Or if you have an account manager assigned, you can ask them also how these new plan is going to be work, or which plan is more suitable for you. So I think it's time to wrap up. If you have any doubts, you can keep asking in the chat. Our team will get back to you. And in case if they are unable to get back to you, just we will ensure that after the webinar, they will reach you so that you can have a clarify. Or if you need any help, you can just click on the contact sales and book an appointment with our team. Okay, so that you can book an appointment with our team, and they will help you to walk through the new features, or even they will help you to get the things set up. Hope whatever which presented features it is going to be useful, and we are sure that you will start adapting new features and implementing in your business, so that you can get more time for your business, focusing on business rather than doing the repeated tasks. Because we have added, most of these features are added apart from our UI changes. or the new features, a lot of other improvements. There are 100 plus improvements which we have made. So the email builder, if we have the templates which are coming. So this is the email builder. Okay, you can every month we are planning to publish new templates here, so that you can get it customized with the minimum effort. So if you take about any emails, it's very easy to build emails. Just simply drag and drop somewhere, and you can just type it and change the text or color. So it's very simple. It's like a Word. You can start using all these features, and which have the loop features. This is also a unique features in the industry, which is capable to execute a loop session. For example, this particular session want to be looped 2 times, then you can use a loop. Lot many features are added. The automation possibilities are added right into the Picky Assist. So loop, unsubscribe options, and so it's very simple to use. So you can even save it, and you can send it dynamically, like where you can see the name. So the name will get replaced with the actual name when you are sending the email from the connector. Now kindly note that the email capability is only one way. We are working towards two-way email as well. So another few months we will have the two-way email communication integrated right inside Teambox as well. But right now it's one-way communication, which can be sent from our mini app, or it can be sent from the Picky Assist connector. So if you have the mini app, you can build an app for this email channel which you are building. Then you can do it with the mini app. It will be available right inside your Picky Assist account. And this mini app can be shared again with your team members based on the roles which they have. So this is so what else we have? A new revamped all the broadcaster. You can see everywhere, you will able to see an opt-out list as well. Just a minute. So you can see that you can select the opt-out list from here, so that if you're sending a message or campaign from here, so the messages, those who are opt-out will not get their messages. Now opt-out works for email as well as for WhatsApp. Now you can, under the social CRM settings, there's an options or opt-out. Now you can simply create different opt-outs. While creating opt-out, you can give a keyword to opt-out. This is only for WhatsApp. And for the email, we automatically add the opt-out link for every email which you send. You can create any new list as well, so that you can have a different list. For example, those customers who don't want to receive your specific campaign, but they are interested in certain campaigns only. So you can create different opt-out list, and the keywords you can put it in your campaigns for WhatsApp campaign. And for email campaign, you can manually select you have the options to manually select the opt-out while sending the email. So then the blacklist also we have completely revamped the blacklist features. Now you can add blacklist in bulk, as well as you can have a channel wise blacklist capability as well. So you can go through this. This is the main menu. All the menus are here. On clicking on the menu, each you can go to each menu wise to explore what all the features we have. This is the routing rules which I have demonstrated. Now you can see all the channels which is connected in your Picky Assist is there, and for each channel you can define the routing rule. If you click on this, and each channel you can define how the message should be allocated. You can select your agents, or you can select your departments. If you want the this particular channel chats coming from this channel to be allocated only to the specific departments or agents, so based on that it will work. So all other settings is there. Then the roles, in the roles you can decide like the channels, the sharing on, and this role should have all these kind of channel access. You can just walk through, and these are the basic things which you can do it yourself. Then automations, the connector is there. Then the settings, the app developers, and all the page. This is the billing page where you can download all your invoices. You can see all the existing plans and what are the add-ons which are active in that specific plan, and what would be the total cost per month. And you can see the plan details and what are the benefits which is there in your plan. Okay, then you can see all the payments here, and you can download invoices from here. You can simply click and it will download the invoices for the payments you made. Then all the activity under the ledger can be seen here. Then the subscriptions, the subscriptions which you have created for automated billing. You can cancel any time also, or whatever the subscription you are created. Then you can bundle package those who are using ultimate plans. Once you reach the contact limits, you can buy the bundled package as well here based on your requirements. So we have a discounted price for the bundled package as well. Then the usage status. So this is the usage status graph you will get to know like how many interactions is left, and how many smart replies you used, and how many trip campaigns you left, or the contacts left. All these informations you will be able to get. And these are the multitasking menu which is added, and we have a completely new gallery as well. Okay, so this is all the new, sorry. So all the new gallery as well, we have completely revamped the gallery sessions also. Now with the new gallery, it is possible for you to create different, folders and segregate your different campaigns or images, or even documents like if you have an offer for a specific January 2023. So it is very easy for your users to find and send them, and you can make it them favorite as well, or you can edit it them. You can see, edit, preview all the videos, images, as well as the PDF can be previewed right inside the gallery itself. You can get a shareable link as well from here. Okay, so and we have a Jiffy integrations are available for making the conversations very funny. This can be sent through WhatsApp as well. You can upload multiple files into your gallery, and easily you can see all the favorites here. Those who are making as a favorites, you can see all these favorites here, and the recent, you will be able to see the recent messages here, that those who are used recently, which have again different UI options. So these, then the contacts. So any page, if people are asking anything, you can quickly add the contacts right from here. Okay, or you can search any contacts. Even if you are in another page, you don't need to go to the contacts. You can simply go and search for a contacts, and if you select any of the contacts, you can see all the informations about the contact. If you wish to add them into opt-out list, you can do it right from here also. If you want to blacklist that specific contacts, so that you can do it right from here. You can switch here to attributes, see the timeline, events. You can take a quick note. So all these features are there. You can see the event feeds which is coming from third parties. Whenever you are, whenever there's a events which happens in the third party, that can be synchronized and seen against these contacts. You can take the quick notes here with the note options. Then we have the quick messaging here. So this is possible for quick messaging. So you can simply type the message here and send the message. Right now there is no session, so if I type my own number, I think you have to select. If there is no sessions, then you have to select a WhatsApp template. So these all the templates will be listed here. You can select it, the templates, and just pre-fill the message and send it to them. This is the quick messaging features. These menus can be opened from any pages, and here the mini app also. Right now mini app is there in our development servers. So mini app also will come very soon. Mostly by next week it will be available to you. So from the mini app you will be able to take or get informations or take actions from a third party sites. So that's all. I think we have to wrap up. It's been more than 1 hour, and thank you for attending this webinar, and hope you will join our Facebook community and continue asking more questions, and we will try our best to create more helpful contents to you, so that you can get started very easily with all these capabilities which we are delivering, which we are building from time to time. And once again, thank you for joining with us. If you have any doubts, you can keep asking to your sales members, or can post into our Facebook community, and we will get reply as soon as we possible. Thank you once again, and have a very good day.